Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and welcome to my YouTube channel if you are new. I'm going to do an extensive review on the e.l.f. Cosmetics skincare line so that I can let you guys know what I think. So the products that I'm going to be using are going to be a mix between night products and day products. But for my night products, I'm going to be using the cleanser paired with the polishing brush. So this has both an exfoliating side and a polishing side. So I'm going to be using this guy twice every single night, finished up with the e.l.f. Cosmetics toner over the cleanse, and then final night products being the Illuminating Eye Cream plus the Nourishing Night Cream. And then for my day-to-day regime, I'm going to be using the Holy Hydration Face Cream with a mix of the Sunkissed Booster Drops plus the e.l.f. Cosmetics Primer Mist. So these guys I'm going to be using in conjunction with my makeup. So I'm going to be doing a mix between the booster drops with my foundation, as well as the booster drops on their own, and then of course the primer mist under my foundation. I'm also throughout the weeks going to be using their under eye patches. So this is their under eye hydrogel masks. So I'm going to be using these on and off. So I wanted to do this video over an extensive period of time just because I really wanted to get a deep hold onto these products and see what my actual feelings are going to be, how they work for my skin, and let you guys know a review from my opinion. Now that the makeup is off, I'm going to jump in with the first product, which is the cleanser. Now I'm going to double cleanse because I have had a full bead on all day. I'm going to just quickly dampen my face and get in with this cleanser. For the cleanser, I'm going to go in with the face cleansing brush. So it's actually got two sides. So it's got this plastic side here and this soft bristle side. And let me tell you, when these bristles are soft, they are so soft. This brush has a really nice feeling to it because there is no beads or anything in the cleanser. It's a really nice exfoliant. It feels really, really good on my skin. I don't really have problematic areas that I'm going to focus on, but I do have a milia spot, which I've had for quite a few years now. And if you know anything about milia, it is an absolute nightmare. It's so hard to get rid of. So I'm going to sort of just scrub there a little bit more, but other than that, it feels amazing. So I'm just going to wash this off and then I'm going to cleanse with this side. Let me tell you, when I tell you, this cleanser gets so foamy. It's actually such a nice feeling. It feels like it is clean. And this soft brush, oh my God, it's like giving me a massage. Could do this all night. So the brush has rinsed off really, really nice. I've just cleaned it with just pure water, and as someone who's had a really bad run-in with brushes, I definitely am loving this brush. I'm definitely going to be using this more. I really love the exfoliating side. It makes my skin feel so just clean and just gives it that deep clean. My second cleanser, which I always try and do a second cleanse, this soft brush is such a nice way to end that clean and just give you that moisturizing, massaging feel. This brush so far, 10 out of 10. So with just a Swiss bead, I'm just going to apply the toner. And I'm just going to add that to my face, avoiding my eyes. And it has quite a nice scent to it. So some toners really smell alcohol-y, and I can smell that this is a toner, but it doesn't smell like a pure alcohol smell. It's actually really quite nice and refreshing, and I'm getting a tingly feeling already. So I always think that that means that it's working. One thing I will quickly point out about all of the e.l.f. products, one of the reasons why I am reviewing their products in such depth is because they are cruelty-free. For me, it's so important to have a cruelty-free product, so I really love that these guys are, and the quality of their products are just outstanding. So now that my toner has dried and is all ready to be moisturized, I'm going to go in now with the Illuminating Eye Cream. I just want to point out as well, the packaging is really, really cute. It's got little fish on the boxes. The packaging is such a gorgeous little aqua. They're really, really cute and just remind me of just a clean, fresh feeling. So as far as packaging goes, 10 out of 10. So I'm just going to dab under my eye with the cream. And I'm just going to gently massage that into my eye area. So as I've been getting older, I've found that I have needed more attention under my eyes. I do find that I'm starting to get darker circles under my eyes. I'm getting a little bit more puffy as the days go on. I'm a lot more tired. So it definitely is an area that I am trying to focus on. And I will admit that I haven't had a good eye cream in a long time. So this is very exciting for me. And then to top off, I'm going to go in with their Nourishing Night Cream. So this is with purified water and shea butter, which I love. Again, no parabens, no sulfates. They're just a really nice texture, no over-the-top scents. They just feel really nice. My skin feels so clean and just soft and it's just so buzzing at the moment. It actually feels like I've just had a full-on facial. I'm really excited to keep this going for the next week to 2 weeks. I'm going to check back in with you guys and let you know what I think, but from initial use, I am loving all of these products. Like I said, I'm going to use the additional products like the Holy Hydration Cream, the drops. I'm going to let you guys know all my thoughts on those guys. So stay tuned, I will be back. Good morning, my loves. I just wanted to jump in and do a little bit of a mid-review review. So it's been 7 days since I've been using the e.l.f. Cosmetics skincare range, and I have had a bit of a tough week anyway. I've been a little bit sick, so my skin hasn't been as plump and prompt as it would be. So this 7 days has been really tough for me, but you can see how glowy my skin still is. It is really plump. I have had no breakouts. It's just been incredible. So I'm actually going to put that down to this new skincare regime. I've been doing my night routine exactly like I showed you guys just before, and my day routine, I thought I might as well show you that. So I have just woken up and I'm going to jump in and do my makeup shortly. So the first thing I've been doing every single day is putting on the Holy Hydration face cream. So I've just been popping this guy on as like an all-day moisturizer, and it just keeps my skin feeling dewy during the day. As you guys probably know also, it's summer in Australia, so my skin is a lot drier than it normally would be anyway. And I've just been massaging it into my neck as well. My face and my neck are definitely areas that I'm trying to concentrate on while I'm still young. I don't want to have problems as I get older. So while that's just drying into my skin, I just want to tell you guys about what else I'm doing at the moment. So 2021 is going to be my game changer for my skincare. I have been adding collagen to my iced coffees of a day. So it's a collagen creamer that I've been adding to my coffees each day. It's a lot easier than taking sort of a tablet or a shake or just some other collagen supplements that I have tried before. I've always just fallen off the bandwagon and I've never followed them through. But I really wanted to up my game this year, like I've said many times. Just in the spirit of upping my game, I thought I'm going to take a collagen supplement again, and this is what I have been doing. Now that my moisturizer is all dried into my skin now, I'm going to go in with the Sunkissed Booster Drops. You can use these guys on their own. You don't necessarily need to use this as a foundation base. I do not. I have been using this sort of when I need it. On the weekend, I got really sunburnt and got a massive sun exposure, so the next day my skin wasn't feeling great, so I sort of used these then. These are so liquid. You can just see they feel incredible. They make your skin feel so hydrated, and I just feel that it looks so much more plump and full when I put these on. Like I said, you don't necessarily need to put the booster drops on just when you're doing your makeup. I just find that it's actually making my makeup look really just flawless. I'll probably come on here and show you guys my base once I've done it so you can see how nice my finish is. Also, just as a little bit of an insight, because it has been a week and I've not been filming every single time I wash my face or I put on the products, I've been using the e.l.f. Cosmetics eye masks as well. So they're these little clear under eye masks and they're really, really hydrating. They're with seaweed extract and licorice. There are 3 sets of eye masks in the box. These are an absolute game changer. So I work on a computer majority of the day. So I have been putting these on and let me tell you, the puffiness in my eyes have been severely reduced. I don't know if it's down to just these or if it's the entire routine that I've been doing. Like I said, I hadn't had an eye cream in a really, really long time, but I have been using an eye cream every single night. Every single night I am using the Illuminating Eye Cream like I showed you in my tutorial. I don't know what to put it down to, but let me tell you, I am feeling like my skin is just really starting to take a nice turn. The final piece in my skincare before I go and start my makeup is I've been using the Aqua Primer Mist. Just a spray primer, and I've just been spraying it all over my face, a little bit on my neck before I go and put my makeup on. Feels like you have a nice barrier between your skin and your makeup, that nice piece between your makeup and your skin where you don't feel like the makeup is just soaking into your skin and just taking all of your goodness out. So that is it, you guys. I'm going to jump in now, go do my makeup. I'm going to allow another week before I finalize my review on these products. But I just wanted to jump in and just show you guys my day-to-day routine, what I've been doing, and I will check back in with you guys in a week. So you guys, as promised, this is my skin after the Holy Hydration Moisturizer, the Sunkissed Booster Drops, and the Aqua Primer. So as you can see, I have such a full and plump finish. It is just incredible, makes my makeup glow. So it has been 2 full weeks, actually it's been a little bit more, of using the e.l.f. Cosmetics skincare. Nothing else except for the e.l.f. Cosmetics skincare range. This has been a strong 2 weeks of sticking to these products, making sure that I stay to my day-to-day routine, both night and day. This has been really, really great, and my overall opinion is that this has worked absolutely amazing for my face. I am going to swear by these Hydrogel Under Eye Masks. I've used these a few times, so my job is very intensively focused on a computer screen. So for me, I get these really dark circles. These are incredible. You only have to wear them for 15 minutes. Then I've been applying my makeup afterwards. These are absolutely incredible. The cleanser paired with this brush is amazing. So the polishing brush is such a nice massage at the end of your day after you're taking your makeup off, and the exfoliator is obviously beautiful to just feel so clean and fresh. This is an absolute must. I have started to transition my husband onto this product as well because it is just incredible. And I don't know how you can go past the Holy Hydration Day Cream. This is incredible. Having this under my makeup looks insane. I've just recently changed the way that I do my foundation as well. This is such an absolute must for me, as well as the Sunkissed Booster Drops. So these are absolutely beautiful. I did a mix of this between doing my foundation with this and mixing the products together, as well as doing this pre-foundation. So both times I had the exact same result. I think that the Booster Drops were amazing. I'll post some pics here of some foundation looks that I have done with the Booster Drops underneath. I think that the toner is amazing. I think the toner is a really great product. It does have a slight alcohol-y smell the more you use it. So I did mention when I very first did this that you could really not notice the smell of the alcohol in it. I definitely can now. I think potentially the longer you use it, obviously, the stronger the product gets and the more your skin absorbs it. But it is really, really great. And of course, we cannot forget the Illuminating Eye Cream. This has been an absolute lifesaver for me. I've not necessarily used an eye cream in quite a few years, so this has been a game changer. I will definitely not go without it. That is it, you guys. That is my overall review over 2 weeks of using the e.l.f. Cosmetics skincare range. I think that the price of these products versus the quality that you get is absolutely incredible. I would probably not go back to another product that is hundreds and hundreds of dollars and not getting the results. These are amazing and worked so great for my skin. Once again, e.l.f. has blown my mind. Love their products. Will definitely be sticking to this range. Leave me some comments below. Let me know what you guys think of this. Have you tried the e.l.f. Cosmetics skincare range? Let me know your thoughts, any questions, queries, and I will catch you guys on my next video.